rich in lavender essence. Replenish the nutrients needed by the skin, helps relieve and repair the foot skin, clearing damp, dissipates cold air and strengthens the constitution. Nourishing, deep moisturizing and smoothing, soften skin, remove dead skin, heals, cuticles. Peel of the dead skin is also slowly fall off, tender from the soles of the feet. Mild and clean, moisturizing skin, enhance the foot skin soft and tender, help improve foot dry, rough skin and tanning, exfoliating foot hard calluses and microgroove dead skin, make the skin firm and delicate and tender. Repair and relieves dry skin disorders such as rough and cracked heels, chapped hands, chilblains. Let your feet absorb the essence better. Skin-friendly foot mask can effectively lock the membrane sleeve essence, nourishing, deep moisturizing and smoothing, soften skin, remove dead skin, heals, cuticles. Making the skin smooth, preventing the skin rough and cracked, making your feet softer and more delicate like a baby.